Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man. And today's 20 for 20. Let's go ahead and talk about this one right here. The Control by SteelSeries, right? The thumb grips, no slip support. Got this one for $12.99 at GameStop. Power up rewards, power to the players, $5 off every month. Used it on this, right? Now, I don't know about you, man, but whether I'm playing Madden or any type of game, sometimes your thumb can kind of slip off there, and sometimes it can create a little bit of problems there. But hopefully with these thumb grips right here, shouts out the limited edition controller, that we won't be running into any of those issues. So what it's supposed to do is upgrade your game with comfort, grip, and style, and these are specifically designed for Xbox. Enough talking, let's go ahead and get into these. So look on the back here, it says it's a universal fit, tells you how to put them on, what it's designed for, and then go from there. Now, easy to apply. Turn the grip inside out, place it directly above the stick, and then flip the grip sides over to stick. Let's see if it's really that easy, man. So we're gonna open this up here. Of course, they made this super complicated, but no worries. Let's go ahead and open it up anyway. Yeah, man. And if somebody is already utilizing these, shout me a line in the comments below. I'd love to know what games you're using these for. Oh, man. So I like all the different colorways that they have right here. So I wonder, were these bigger or something? Because they're on the side right here. Who knows? So these are all the different colorways you got. You got the whites, the kind of like dark green, the Secret of the Ooze green, shout out Ninja Turtles, and then the black. So it said to turn these inside out, yeah? Let's go ahead and do that. I'll move the rest of these out the way. And see, will it flip exactly like they said? Now, I'm glad they put the instructions on these because that is not how I was going to do it. I was just going to kind of throw it on there and see will it fit. So turn this one inside out. And then let me know, do you all use these all the time? Or is it only for specific games? So now we flip these inside out. Let's go ahead and put these on our controller. So let's put it on the black one here, and see what it's worked. Just like they said, right? Oh, it's still inside out. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh man, that was easy. Okay, yeah, just like this. Okay, yeah, this is extra grippy. I like this. So let's go ahead and do this one too. I like this too, man. And these don't raise it up a bit or anything like that. It's still low profile. Really like that there. And again, I love the texture grip on here. Going to make it super easy for gaming. So that was a quick unboxing and review of the SteelSeries non-slip thumb grips. Let me know if you use these for any of your games, and are you looking forward to any of the games coming out this year on Xbox. Until the next video, guys, it's been Steph. Let's get it.